In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix the Circular Dependency Detected error in Google Sheets. If you've ever seen that message pop up, it means a formula is referring back to its own cell, directly or indirectly, creating a loop. In most cases, that's a mistake you'll want to correct. But in some advanced scenarios like financial models, rolling forecasts, or dynamic budgets, you might intentionally create a loop to allow values to settle toward a stable result. In those cases, we can use a built-in Google Sheets feature called iterative calculation to let the sheet resolve that loop safely. Start by opening your spreadsheet. Then go to the File menu and select Settings. In the dialog that opens, click the Calculation tab. Here's where the fix happens. You'll see an option called Iterative Calculation. Switch this to On. What this tells Google Sheets is, it's allowed to recalculate formulas repeatedly until the results stop changing significantly, or until it reaches a set number of attempts. You'll notice two controls you can fine-tune: max number of iterations and threshold. Think of max number of iterations as the maximum number of loops it will run. A higher number lets the sheet keep refining the result for longer, which can improve accuracy. But it can also take more time and computing power. If your model stabilizes quickly, a modest number works well. If your result inches towards stability more slowly, a higher number can help. Threshold controls how precise the result needs to be before the sheet stops looping. It's the smallest change between one calculation and the next that you are willing to accept as close enough. A smaller threshold demands more precision and may require more iterations. A larger threshold allows the process to stop sooner, which can speed things up. Pick values that balance accuracy with performance for your specific model. Once you've set those two fields, click Save Settings. Google Sheets will immediately recalculate with your new rules. If your circular reference is intentional and the model converges, the error message should disappear and your results will settle into place. If you still see unexpected values, try revisiting the iterations and threshold to fine-tune the behavior. Keep in mind, enabling iterative calculation applies to the entire spreadsheet. So be thoughtful if other sheets in the file contain formulas that weren't designed for looping. That's it. Thanks for watching.